Hey foodies, welcome to Siddhak and Cook, and today's recipe is the perfect halwai style samosa. Here the shape is also perfect and the cover is also crispy and the filling is having the perfect color and the taste is very tasty and very flavorful. So if you want to learn the perfect recipe of halwai style samosa, let's start with the recipe. First we'll take 2 tablespoons of oil. Next is the hing or asafoetida. After adding it, add the jeera or cumin, then the sauf or fennel. Let it splutter and add the crushed dhania or coriander seeds. Next is our boiled potatoes. These are boiled for nearly 10 minutes and then kept in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours so that they cool down. Here I am adding 6 to 7. One thing I had forget to add, which was the chopped ginger, so I am just frying it and adding it into the potato mixture. Now mix it so that all the flavors are mixed with the potatoes. Next add the spices, add the coriander powder, then the red chili powder. Next is the amchur for the sour flavor. Next is the garam masala for all the taste. Next is for seasoning the black pepper and salt as per your taste. Mix all the dry masalas with the aloo mixture and at the last add the kasuri methi. Just mix it and keep it onto a plate with some fresh coriander so that it cools down. Now take 2 cups of refined flour or maida. Next is the ajwain or bishop weed seed. Just crush it in the hand and add it to the flour. Next add salt as per your taste. Now just give a mix and next add 5 tablespoons of oil. This process is called moining. In this process we mix the oil or the fat with the flour with the fingertips only so that it forms the breadcrumb texture like this, and if you try to combine it, it would combine to form a solid or a dough, and if it would look like this, and if you try to break it, it would break easily. Now just add cold water so that we can make a nice tight dough. Add the water by measurement. I am adding 1/4 cup plus 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of water in total. Now make a tight dough of it. This is the 2 tablespoons of cold water. Now here is the dough ready. Just let it rest with a damp cloth so that it is little bit soft to roll it. After 10 to 15 minutes of resting, just take your dough and make a rectangular block like this and cut it into parts. How much samosa do you want? One part will make 2 samosas, so I am making here 6 portions. I need to make 12 samosas. Now just round it or smooth it and just roll. So I am adding flour for the dusting and roll it in lengthwise shape, or as I am rolling it, you can follow the procedure. After rolling it in the lengthwise shape, we need to cut it into half with a knife like this. Just cut it and the 2 samosa patti are ready. Now just keep it aside and make all the 12 samosa pattis like this. Now take 1 samosa patti and just roll it in little bit of lengthwise shape so that the shape of samosa is perfect. Now I will show basically what are the parts of the samosa patti. Now this part, which is the rounded one, is the leg and body of the samosa, and this is the straight part or the height of the samosa. Now we need to just fold the straight part, and here the cone of the samosa will be ready. Now just apply some water on the height side and fold it and pinch it with your thumb and index finger so that it closes very nicely. Now just join your index and thumb finger to make a space and keep the samosa cone in it. Now add 1 to 2 spoons of the filling in it. Don't add too much of filling or the shape would not be perfect. Just push it little bit. Now apply some water on the body or the leg side of the samosa. Now with two fingers and with the help of thumb, just fold the samosa patti as shown in the video and pinch it to the other side of the samosa patti, and just pinch all the sides of the samosa so that it does not open up while frying. Pinch it nicely. Here is the samosa ready to be fried. I will make all the 12 samosas like this and keep it for rest for 15 to 20 minutes so that all the sides stick very properly. It is sitting very nicely so that this is the second samosa and it is also perfect. Now here are all the 12 samosas which are perfect in shape. Now just fry it in a medium hot oil on very low flame for 15 to 17 minutes and stir it in every 2 to 3 minutes so that it does not burn from the down part. After 15 to 17 minutes, here is your golden brown samosa ready. Take it out on a tissue paper and the samosas would be ready to be served after it cools down. Let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes and it would be ready to be served. This is the filling of the samosa. It is having the perfect color and the taste is very great. Now listen the crispiness of the samosa. So here was my recipe of halwai style samosa. It was very easy and the taste is very delicious. So if you like the recipe and the video, then give the video a thumbs up. Please share the video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it so that you get notified as soon as I post my new video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and happy cooking.